In the last video, I mentioned compound growth several times, and many of you asked, what exactly is it? Why do successful people always say it's the secret to building long-term wealth? Today, I'll break it down for you in a simple but powerful way. By the end of this video, you'll understand how compounding works, not just in money, but in every area of life, and how it can change your future if you use it wisely. What is compound growth? Compound growth is the principle where results build on top of results, creating an accelerating effect over time. In finance, it means the profits from your investment get reinvested. So next year, you're not just earning on your original amount. You're also earning on last year's profits. It's not linear growth, it's exponential growth. Think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill. Each turn makes it bigger, and the bigger it gets, the faster it grows. Real-life example. Let's say you invest $500 every single month into a business or the stock market, and it grows at an average of 10% per year. Here's what happens. After 10 years, you'll have about $95,000. After 20 years, around $340,000. After 30 years, nearly $985,000. Almost $1 million. Think about it. You only invested a total of $180,000 over 30 years, $500 times 360 months. But because of compound growth, your money multiplied more than 5 times. That's the real power of compounding. And remember, this is just $500 a month. Imagine what happens if you invest more. Why time is more valuable than money? Here's the secret. You don't need a huge amount of money to become wealthy. What you really need is time and consistency. Let's compare two people. Raya invests just $200 a month starting at age 20. She does this for 10 years. Adam, on the other hand, says, I'll wait until I have more money. He starts at age 30, investing $200 every month until he's 60. That's 30 full years of investing $72,000 in total. $72,000 in total. Now here's the shocking part. By age 60, Raya actually has more money than Adam, even though she stopped contributing at 30. Why? Because her money had an extra 10 years of growth at the beginning, and the power of compounding kept multiplying her investment year after year without her adding a single cent. But here's the bigger lesson. Compounding isn't only about money. Knowledge. If you read just 10 pages of a book every day, in a year you'll have read over 3,600 pages. That's like 15 to 20 books. Over 10 years, that knowledge compounds into expertise. Health. If you exercise 20 minutes daily, it might not seem like much. But in 5 years, the strength, energy, and discipline you gain is life-changing. Habits. Small daily choices, saving, learning, networking, building skills, may look insignificant at first, but when they compound, they transform your life. Compounding is a universal principle. Whether it's money, health, or knowledge, the same rule applies. Small actions, repeated consistently, create massive results over time. The negative side of compounding. Now let's flip the coin. Compounding can work against you too. Bad habits compound. Eating junk food daily, wasting hours on distractions, or ignoring your health doesn't destroy you in one day. But over years, the damage adds up and becomes huge. Financial mistakes compound. Spending more than you earn, delaying saving, or constantly chasing short-term pleasures creates long-term struggles. The same snowball effect that can build your wealth and health can also destroy them if you're not careful. How to use compounding in your favor. So how do you make compounding your ally, not your enemy? Start early. Don't wait until you have enough. Time is more powerful than money. Stay consistent. Small, steady actions matter more than big, one-time efforts. Reinvest your gains. Whether it's money, knowledge, or skills, put the results back into the system so they multiply. Avoid negative compounding. Cut debt. Avoid destructive habits. And protect your time from being wasted. Remember, compounding rewards patience, discipline, and consistency. Here's the final truth. Compounding is one of the most powerful principles in the world. If you respect it and use it early, it can give you freedom, wealth, health, and knowledge beyond what you thought possible. If you ignore it, time will pass anyway, and you'll wonder why you're stuck in the same place. The choice is yours. Do you let time work for you or against you? Start today, even with something small, and watch how it grows. Remember, small actions plus time plus consistency equals massive results. If you found this video valuable, share it with someone you care about, hit the like button, and subscribe for more powerful lessons on building wealth and creating a true money magnet mindset. Let us know if you want more videos like this. And remember, you are the magnet.